Hello everyone, my name is Emily Fernandez and I will be talking about muscle interactions. As a muscle produces an action, there must be another muscle that works to reverse that action. For example, the hamstring can produce flexion of the leg at the knee, while the quadricep femoris then extends the leg. Therefore, opposite muscles work together in groups throughout the body to produce movement rather than working individually. The agonist or prime mover is the muscle that is primarily responsible for producing movement. The synergist just assists the prime mover in producing the certain action. A fixator is a muscle that stabilizes the bone or holds it in place, and the antagonist is the muscle that produces the opposite movement as the prime mover. Using my previous example, the hamstring is the agonist since it is responsible for flexing the leg, and the quadricep femoris is the antagonist since it does the opposite and extends the leg. Where a muscle is located when it crosses a joint can determine the muscle's actions as well. Muscles on the anterior side of a joint produce flexion, while opposing groups of muscles on the posterior side of a joint produce extension. Similarly, muscles that cross the lateral side of a joint produce abduction, while muscles that cross the medial side of a joint produce adduction. So muscles that are on opposite sides of a joint work together to produce and reverse movements. These opposing muscles are example of agonist and antagonist pairs, such as my hamstring and quadricep femoris example. A group of 3 skeletal muscles that make up the hamstrings are on the posterior side of the thigh, and a group of 4 muscles that make up the quadricep femoris are on the anterior side of the thigh, therefore allowing for the previously mentioned movements of the leg.